We have a 1997 GMC Yukon 2-door, just like the Blazer Jimmy that they had back in the day. This is the last of the 2-door full-size rigs available. This one's only got 13,000 original miles. Great color in this metallic green. It's got the tan leather interior. This thing runs and drives great. We did put new tires on it, the BF Goodrich radial all-terrains. 13,000 mile rig, 2-door, the last of a generation. You can't find these for hardly less than 150,000 miles anymore. These are normally a 200 to 300,000 mile rig before you ever have to rebuild the motors on them. This thing is basically brand new with 13,000 miles. It's always been stored inside. It came out of the Texas area. It was in a private collection before it came into our collection, and it's going across Barrett, Jackson, Scottsdale this January. Check out all the details, restoremusclecar.com. Our videos, like, share, tag, and also Barrett Jackson's website. You can bid online or bid in person. Thanks, guys.